is going to be multiple choice cookie bar 2.0. I've got some stuff, little bits and pieces in my pantry and in my freezer. So I decided to make the multiple choice cookie bars, but they're different from the ones that I made before. This is mostly vanilla wafers, and I had a few of those left over, and I had a couple of graham crackers too. So I just mixed them. This cookie bar is such a good way to use up some of those little bits and pieces of things you have in your pantry, like I said. Just want to spread this over. That's a half a stick of butter. My oven's at 350. I just melted this in the oven with the butter in it. Saved me a dirty dish. And now I just want to kind of get this down in the butter. The crumbs. And now I've got a can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm just gonna spread this over it. And I'm supposed to use 2 cups of any kind of like chocolate chips, and I'm just going to mix them because I only had a few of the white chocolate chips. So I'm going to sprinkle these. And this is a very forgiving recipe. It doesn't even have to be exact. Most of your baked dishes have to be exact, but this does not. I had some dark chocolate. And I think that will go good with that white chocolate because the white chocolate is so sweet. And I'm just going to do a few, maybe about a cup or so of cinnamon sweet. I'm messy today. Alright, I've got that. And now I've got some coconut. And I'm just going to sprinkle that over. You can do Rice Krispies, but I had this coconut left over from my coconut cake at Easter time. And last but not least, I just chopped some nuts. You don't even have to chop them, but I chopped them. My husband likes them chopped. And these are just some leftover salted mixed nuts, mostly peanuts. Just want to press this down into that sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to cook this for, it says 30 minutes, but I'm going to cook it for 25. You don't want it to overcook because it'll get hard around the edges. And I'll see you then. Here it is. And it actually only took about 22 minutes. It smells delicious. And I'm going to let it cool on this wire rack. And when I'm done, I'll cut it and I'll show you what it looks like. So until then. And here it is. Doesn't it look good? It tastes good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.